When we finish a workout, our first instinct is to get out of the gym as quickly and humanly as possible. But as much as we want to head straight to the shower, we know we should be doing some cool down exercises. Why? Well, let's think of a few good reasons. Hi, in today's Follow the Fires, I'm back with another video, and this time we'll be talking about a bunch of cool down exercises you should definitely try. Cooling down can be just as important as the actual workout. So let's get started. First stretch to cool down is
seated hamstring stretch. Sit with one leg extended and your back straight. Bend your other leg so that the sole of your foot rests against your mid-thigh. Reach towards your ankle. Keep your neck, knee and back straight. Feel the stretch in the back of your thigh. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times per day.
Moving on to the next one.
Arm and wrist stretch. Extend your arm in front of you with your palm down. Bend your wrist, pointing your hand towards the floor. With your other hand, gently bend your wrist farther until you feel a mild to moderate stretch in your forearm. Hold for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 4 times.
Moving on to the next one.
Cobra pose. You can begin by lying down flat on your stomach. Place your palms flat on the ground directly under your shoulders. Bend your elbows straight back and hug them into your sides. Pause for a moment, looking straight down at your mat with your neck in a neutral position. Anchor your pubic bone to the floor. Inhale to lift your chest off the floor. Roll your shoulders back and keep your lower ribs on the floor. Make sure your elbows continue hugging your sides. Don't let them wing out to either side. Keep your neck neutral. Don't crank it up. Your gaze should stay on the floor. Exhale to release back to the floor.
Heading on to the next one.
Child's pose. Kneel on the floor with your toes together and your knees hip-width apart. Rest your palms on top of your thighs. On an exhale, lower your torso between your knees. Extend your arms alongside your torso with your palms facing down. Relax your shoulders towards the ground. Rest in the pose for as long as needed.
Moving up ahead.
Butterfly pose. How to do it? Come to a seated position and bring the soles of your feet together. Keep your spine tall and abs pulled in tight. Grab hold of each foot with your hands and place elbows against your inner thighs. Keeping your spine long, inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, slowly lower your torso forward, pausing when you feel the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds or more.
Now let's talk about things you should do while doing these stretches. Dedicate at least 10 minutes to gradually cool down after your exercise. On days when you're not feeling active or energetic, you can swap out part of your workout and focus on more of these cooling and relaxing exercises to benefit your mind and body. An additional tip is to do these exercises at a slower speed and lower intensity than your normal workout. An important thing to keep in mind, do not sit down straight away. Sitting down too quickly after a workout can increase your chances of serious soreness. Cooling down is definitely an important part once you're done with your workout session, but at times in the middle of the day when your body feels too stiff, or if you feel like not doing a heavy workout, or even if you're planning to start your fitness journey, you can definitely add these stretches in your routine to activate your muscles and be ready for the day. Do consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts with us and keep following this space for more such content.